It's a concept that we have known for a very long time. We have seen it in movies, in songs, in TV shows, and the list goes on. But what really is love? My name is Alexa Garcia. I am a student majoring in psychology, and today I will explain what is love, the definition behind love, and also the science behind love. To begin with, love can be a complex emotion. It is never a single feeling. A study conducted by Kevin Hedgie and Raymond Bergner explains that love can be divided into 4 different categories: romantic love, friendship love, parental love, and altruistic love. The data found in this table right here was obtained through an online survey in which the participants had to rate the following characteristics, which are these ones, from 1 to 5, 1 being the most essential and 5 being the least essential. We also found the percentages in here. The conclusion of this study is that investment in the well-being of the other is the most essential characteristic for all types of love: romantic, parental, friendship, and altruistic. Now that we know the 4 categories of love and their characteristics, let's dig deeper into what science has to tell us about love. So, a scientific article written by Samuel Lowe, a clinical director of IHH Healthcare, explains that there are 3 stages to falling in love with someone. Stage number 1 is also the stage of lust. This stage is when our body releases testosterone if you are a man and estrogen if you are a woman. Stage number 2 is the stage of attraction. In here, our feelings of love can feel almost like an addiction to a certain drug or to even alcohol. Why is this? This is because our body releases 3 hormones that makes us feel very addicted to attraction. For instance, we have dopamine, which is the hormone that makes us feel good and makes us have like a motivation in our life. We also have adrenaline, which is the hormone that you feel when you're riding a roller coaster and you feel like the rush in your stomach. And we also have norepinephrine, which is the hormone that regulates our blood levels, our heart rate, and everything that makes us feel healthy. Last but not least, the 3rd stage is the stage of attachment. In here, our body releases oxytocin. We may feel very loved, like we want to spend the rest of our lives with this person, and this is because this hormone is what makes us feel like love and like we belong to some place. In addition, science also provides us with multiple reasons why we may find someone attractive. So, if you have ever wondered why you are interested in that guy or in that girl, there might be an answer in here. So, one of the reasons that scientists have proven through many investigations and experiments is pheromones. So, what are pheromones? Pheromones are chemicals that our body releases through sweat and other bodily fluids. It is proven that women prefer scents of men that have disease-resistant genes different from their own. This suggests that we subconsciously choose our partners in order to have strong, healthy babies that will be resistant to as many diseases as possible. Studies have also shown that those who we find attractive are influenced by our life experiences, the kinds of faces that we are most likely to be exposed to, and who we form relationships with. Today, we learned that love, it is a complex emotion. We learned that love can be divided into 4 different categories, each one containing unique and essential characteristics. For instance, investment in the well-being of the other is the most fundamental characteristic when loving someone, according to the studies that I show you in the computer. We also learned that there are 3 stages when falling in love with someone. The first stage is lust, then attraction, and last but not least, attachment. We also learn the science behind love, how many hormones play a role in our body and affect how we feel and how we act towards others. We also learn some of the reasons that scientists have shown to us and proven through investigation and through experiments. Why we love a specific somewhere? Why are we attracted to a certain kind of people? Well, science has a reason behind it. Even though we see love around us all the time, it still remains a mystery to many of us. This complex emotion that makes us feel warm and fuzzy in our hearts has been investigated through generations by multiple scientists. Today, we have more information to learn about the truth behind love and to understand why we feel butterflies in our stomach. Thank you.